Ito pong turnaround ni Noli Locsin that cut the lead down to only 1 point at 96-95. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in this ball game. Magandang gabi po, Pilipinas. Ito po si Ed Pixon kasama si Kenito Henson para sa Vintage Sports at ang kapanapanabik na laro ng Alaska Milk at Ginebra San Miguel.
Ed, bumalik na si Johnny Abarientos. And of course, with 5:50 to go, kailangan na ni Coach Tim Cohn. Ito si Flying A.
Samantala si Jeffrey Cariaso, binutas naman ang ring mula sa left quarter court area to give Alaska another 3-point advantage at 98-95.
Ed, meron tayong update here in terms of missed free throws. Ginebra San Miguel, 7 missed free throws. Yung Alaska, 3 lang. And 3 of those 7 missed free throws of Ginebra San Miguel came on uncompleted 3-point plays.
Oo. Samantala si JB Gayoso piling up some points for himself here in the fourth quarter. Has 13 in all. Scored only 4 in the first 3 quarters. Johnny Abarientos. 197. 3 puntos po ang abante ng Alaska Milk. Noli Locsin. Marlo Aquino asking for the pass. Kevin Ramos will pick up the foul. At nasa penalty ng Alaska. So bibigyan po ng 2 pagkakataon si Marlo Aquino sa free throw line. Yan po ang 3-point field goal shooting naman. 2 out of 6 ng Alaska, 8 out of 15 ng Ginebra. Field goals dito sa fourth quarter.
Nakakalabang Ginebra.
Sabagay, naghahabol po sila dahil inabutan na po sila o inabantihan na ito ng 10 points kanina sa third quarter. 12 points now for Marlo Aquino.
Major contribution in offense from Marlo Aquino in this game so far. Still a lot of basketball time left, Ed. 4:51 to go.
Noli Locsin almost had an offensive rebound, but it's picked up by Johnny Abarientos instead for Alaska.
That's another missed free throw by Ginebra. Count 8.
Hawkins inside. Decided to pass off at the last moment. Dahil nakita po niya, nasa harapan niya si Marlo Aquino. Medyo nagkasawa na ito si Bong Hawkins sa kakabutata sa kanya ng mga malalaking mama ng Ginebra sa ilalim. He elected to pass off, but it was not anticipated by Kevin Ramos.
No movement in the offense here for Ginebra San Miguel. 1-on-1 play, wala.
Noli Locsin missing that one. Ramos for the rebound. Narito naman ngayon si Johnny Abarientos.
Spread out offense here for Alaska, so you can expect a penetration.
Oh,
no, not a penetration.
Good fake by Abarientos, but the shot didn't go. Vince Hizon into the front court. Quick moves by Vince Hizon. Jaworski's open. That decides to pass it off to Marlo Aquino.
Thought about a 3-point shot. Here's Aquino, wala.
Takuha ulit ni Marlo. Courtesy of Robert Jaworski. Aquino, medyo bumomba pa pagkatapos. And we're tied at 100 all. 3 minutes and 41 seconds to go in the ball game. Fasten your seatbelts, folks. This could get bumpy. Cariaso. Laban kay Jaworski.
That would be the 4th team foul for Ginebra San Miguel.
Wala pa rin pong free throws para sa Alaska.
BJ Five still sitting down, as well as Coach Wino, who did very well offensively until he picked up his 5th personal foul. Palagay ko, it's time for Wino to check back in because ito si Kevin Ramos has not been a factor in offense.
Abarientos gets it back. Ramos, but it's blocked by Aquino. Ramos gets it back. Merong loose ball foul on Sagan Jaworski. Kikita rito sa ayun. Yung hawak sa damit ni
Kita naman yun.
So, here's Abarientos.
A lot of pushing and shoving for position. Ayan, si Coyoso and Lastimosa has been a key matchup in this game.
Dito mo naman si Kevin Ramos. Bilib din naman ako. Kevin Ramos.
Alam mo, has not been an offensive factor in this game. Ipasok niya yung tira. Kaya naman pala si Wino
102-100. 2-point lead by Alaska Milk. That's where he works best.
Yes, when he doesn't need to take a dribble, when all he has to do is to turn around
Yes.
and take aim. Now, he was in good scoring position that time. Earlier in the game, he could not get that kind of position.
To go. Jojo Lastimosa gets away from Gayoso. Yes!
Exchange of baskets here by both clubs.
Here's Jerry Gayoso against Jojo Lastimosa. Pagpasok po natin sa ating last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Tanduay Rum, the #1 rum.
Lucky break for Ginebra San Miguel because no way that shot of Aquino was going to go in from the baseline.
Oh.
But he was able to force the contact. Tingnan po natin yung free throw situation. 10 out of 18, 8 missed free throws by Ginebra.
Samantala mga kaibigan, meron po tayong
Partner natin sa kalusugan.
tayong gabi sa ating mga amigo nila sa Iloilo City. At nandiyan po ang ating kaibigan si Chino Trinidad na nagko-cover ng ating Marlboro Tour. Papalabas po natin yan pagkatapos ng PBA game. So po si Chino, ang tanging vintage panelist na kumakain ng alikabok dahil sa kasusunod sa Marlboro Tour. Oy! Mga kaibigan natin, magagaling na singer Martin Rivera at si Ding Dong. Kayo na pala kayo, ha? Sino-sino na chismis kay Marco, si Ding Dong lang pala.
Marlo Aquino missing his first free throw attempt. That's the 9th free throw miss by Ginebra San Miguel. Pinasok niya yung pangalawa. Incidentally, Jojo Lastimosa with 15 points in this game. This is the 36th game that Lastimosa has scored in double figures, and that is the longest streak by any active player.
Diba? Uy, Johnny Abarientos, pinalik kay Hawkins. Hawkins gets it back to Cariaso. Lastimosa, wala.
And Hawkins, another big rebound.
Matindi ito ginagawa ni Bong
Yung
Hawkins.
offensive rebound ng Alaska has kept Alaska's head way above water in this game. Tapos meron pang illegal defense.
Nagsisisigaw na yung mga taga-Alaska to call attention to the illegal defense of Vince Hizon. Pang-5 beses na natatawagan ng illegal defense ang Ginebra dito sa larong ito. Samantala, medyo nagpupulong-pulong si Sonny Jaworski, Vince Hizon at Tony Locsin to try and map out their plans in these last 85 seconds. 1 minute and 25 po ang natitira sa ating labanan. Lamang ng dalawa ngayon ng Alaska at 105-103. Johnny Abarientos. Lastimosa, lamang kay Gayoso. Hizon comes out to help. There's a tap by Hizon from behind. Loose ball scramble. Wala by Jaworski. Gayoso has it in the front court. Gayoso running all the way. Kapitawan na bola sa ere. Dolly Locsin. Dolly Locsin delivering the blows for Ginebra San Miguel here in the 4th quarter. He's got 11 points in this period alone.
Now remember, the first game went into overtime. Now we have less than a minute to go in this game and the score is tied.
Johnny Abareto sumaksak sa loob. Marlo Aquino going after Bong Hawkins. Coach Wino taps it out to Cariaso.
Still another attempt here for Alaska.
Fresh 24-second shot clock for Alaska. Tabla po tayo, 105 all. Abaretos goes inside. Wala! Tony Locsin for the rebound. Here is Jaworski. Whoa! Bad pass!
And what a pass by Sonny Jaworski straight into the hands of the opponent.
And Johnny Abaretos calls a 20-second timeout. It's a full timeout. It's a full timeout called by Alaska. That big error here in this play as Jaworski's pass is intercepted by Cariaso with 22.9 seconds.